Hi, my name is Andrew with Bending Branches, and today I'm going to talk about the Navigator. The Navigator is my personal favorite paddle. I love this paddle for a lot of reasons. First off, the weight. It is just effortless in the water, and second is the natural buoyancy of the blades. They have a beautiful ability to absorb the rigors of the water and make it so every stroke is so easy and effortless. So the Navigator is made of both wood blades and a carbon fiber shaft. The wood blade itself is a combination of red alder and basswood, so two of the most durable, dense, and reliable woods that we have available. And then it's coated in a 2-ounce fiberglass, so both sides of the blade are sealed in with that extra durability and reinforcement that comes from fiberglass. And the tip is also protected from any damage that could happen in your paddling environment, so that rock guard tip protection is really, really nice to help the longevity of the paddle. The shaft is made of entirely carbon fiber, so it's a satin T700 carbon fiber. You're going to love the natural feel on your hands, and you're going to love just how comfortable and effortless it is to hold, especially where the shaft is ovalized to fit to the contour of your palms. And then there's two ferrule options. So you're going to have the basic snap button ferrule, which is 60 degrees left or right hand control, as well as 0-degree offset, which is just a nice secure option in ferrules. And then you're going to have the plus adjustable length ferrule, so it's going to be infinite adjustability. You can change the offset at any time on the fly to 15, 30, 45, whatever you'd like. And then you can also adjust the length up to 15 centimeters in length, so whether you want to switch from high angle to low angle strokes, or you just don't know for certain what size you need, it gives you the option to adjust it as needed. At 28 ounces and just under 800 grams, it is an extremely light, high-performing option. You're going to love the function and the combination of both technology and natural beauty on the water. So like all Bending Branches paddles, it comes with our standard 1-year warranty and is going to be hand-built in our factory in Osceola, Wisconsin. But you're going to love what this paddle delivers on the water.
Hey, I'm Brian with Aquabound Paddles. I'm here to introduce to you the Whiskey. This is the fiberglass Whiskey paddle. We got a 100% carbon shaft. The blade is made out of compression molded fiberglass. It's going to get you going up to speed very quickly without fatiguing you too much. The Whiskey fiberglass comes with a series of different shafts. We have it available with the bent shaft. The bend in the shaft is there for ergonomical purposes, so it helps you keep your wrists in more of a neutral or natural position. If you're going for that ergonomical bent shaft feature, the bent shaft Whiskey fiberglass comes in weighing 28.5 ounces or 808 grams. The straight shaft is a little bit lighter, comes in weighing only 27 ounces or 737 grams. We also have the Whiskey straight shaft available in a 4-piece makeup. If you opt for the 4-piece version, we add a little bit of weight. The weight of the 4-piece Whiskey fiberglass is 28 ounces or 794 grams. So if you're looking for a high-end, very lightweight breakdown paddle, the Whiskey 4-piece fiberglass is probably the one for you. Every model of our Whiskey fiberglass comes with our patented Posi-Lock ferrule system. That Posi-Lock system is our tightest fitting ferrule. It's made up of composite materials, so there's no rust, no corrosion, and it allows you to offset the blades in 15-degree increments, so you can get that perfect feather angle when you're out on the water. If you're looking for a high-angle performance paddle, check out the Whiskey fiberglass. Aquabound paddles come with a 2-year warranty against manufacturing defects. Each paddle is handmade in Osceola, Wisconsin.
Discover new vantage points and view your natural surroundings with a fresh perspective. Kayaking may involve a challenge of endurance, a sweet camp spot on a deserted beach, or simply enjoying the solitude of the water. Kayak touring takes us to the places we dream to go. We need to go. Werner Paddle's most popular award-winning paddle, the Camano, provides the perfect combination for paddlers who want enough power to cover their day's journey with ease, using a relaxed, all-around low-angle stroke. The longer, more slender blade shape is very efficient when paddling with a low-angle style. Our Smart View adjustable system is the most simple, precise-fitting, user-friendly ferrule on the market, allowing paddlers to dial in their desired blade offset. The SmartView system will provide the solid feel of a one-piece paddle. Our new dual-sided high-definition blade colors, Citrus and Sunset, really pop on the water for added visibility. These colors are a great complement to any kayak you choose. We are proud to be handcrafting our paddles in Washington State. You'll see the difference firsthand and most certainly feel it with every stroke while on the water.
If you're looking for a recreational paddle that is unique, light, that provides strong performance, then the Symbioza paddle collection is for you. Both Symbioza paddles come in a two-piece fiberglass shaft with a telescoping ferrule system. This is ideal for those looking to spend long hours on the water and understand how much a paddle can impact your journey. An oval index grip will help you maintain proper technique. The slightly indented section allows you to grip the shaft more loosely, which allows the shaft to rotate through your hand and prevent premature wrist fatigue. Fiberglass reinforced nylon blades create a lighter, stiffer, stronger blade which maximizes each paddle stroke. You can offset the blades by 360 degrees to maximize your paddling efforts. Our new drip ring design will help to ensure less water trickles into your kayak. Make sure they are set 4 to 6 inches from the blade for maximum efficiency. Our Symbioza Tropics paddle can be adjusted from 90.5 to 94.4 inches and is designed for people between 5 and 6 feet tall in kayaks between 26 and 33 inches wide, and it weighs only 33.3 ounces. Our Symbioza Deep Sea paddle can be adjusted between 94.5 and 98.4 inches and is designed for people over 5 feet 5 inches tall in kayaks over 30 inches wide, and it only weighs 34.2 ounces. So if you're looking for a paddle that is light, easy to hold with strong performance, then check out the Symbioza Paddle Collection by Pelican.
Introducing the Wilderness Systems Pungo paddles. Featuring an efficient and forgiving mid-sized composite blade, the Pungo paddle was specifically designed to provide an enhanced paddling experience with Wilderness Systems Pungo kayaks. The Pungo paddle's shape, size, and optimized blade curvature work together with Wilderness Systems Pungo kayaks to deliver the optimal angle of entry and stroke depth for smooth, efficient, and flutter-free strokes, regardless of paddling style or experience level. The Pungo is available in 2 configurations: the lightweight Pungo Carbon featuring a carbon fiber blade and 100% unidirectional carbon shaft, the less expensive Pungo Glass featuring a durable fiberglass blade and 50% carbon, 50% fiberglass shaft. All Pungo paddles include the rock-solid lever-lock adjustable ferrule system, featuring infinite feathering options and up to 20 centimeters of fine-tuned length adjustment. With the simple flip of the low-profile lever, the Pungo paddle can be adjusted to fit virtually any paddler, model of kayak, or stroke style. Achieve sustainable power without flutter or fatigue with the Wilderness Systems Pungo paddle, the go-to solution for any excursion in your Pungo kayak.
Here we have the aptly named Perception Universal Kayak Paddle. It was designed to complement virtually any recreational kayak and provide universal performance, whether being used with a sit-inside or sit-on-top recreational kayak. 2-piece construction allows you to take it apart when not in use, while also allowing you to choose from 3 paddle blade angle options, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. Asymmetric blades combined with proper shaping ensure smooth, stable, and flutter-free strokes for improved bow control and confident paddling. Durable fiberglass reinforced blades and corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum shaft deliver an unmatched blend of strength and feather-light weight. Available in 2 vibrant colors to match your Perception kayak. Whether you're new to kayaking or a longtime veteran, the Perception Universal Kayak Paddle offers confident performance to propel you to your next adventure.